Hi guys, it's Amanda again, and today I'm going to be demonstrating the LipSense long wearing lipstick. It's like a liquid lipstick, and I never tried this before, and I heard a lot of good things about it, but just to clarify, I'm not a distributor or anything. I don't sell this stuff. I'm just curious how this is going to work. I bought 3 of the products here, which this product works as a system and you have to buy them individually. So this is the color right here, and I chose this dark pink color, which is it's really pretty. It's when I looked up for the swatches online, it looks like a candy pink, but I don't know why they call it dark pink because it's not a dark pink. But it's really pretty, and it's not shimmery or glittery with this one. This one's more like a flat color, which I personally like. And then second, I got the LipSense Moisturizing Glossy Gloss. And they come in a variety of different type of glosses. And then the rep was saying that this is a must-have because this stuff stays on your lips. Like the color will stay on your lips from, as what the online said, from 4 to 18 hours. I guess it depends on your skin, but this stuff will make it easier to remove. They have a lot of range of colors with this brand, which is a plus because not everyone wants pinks, but they had like good colors from a frost to shimmer to flat colors, reds, and they even have a black color actually. So if you're into that gothic look, it's a liquid lip color. It's a conventional lipstick and lip color found on the market today that comes in a wide variety of shades and texture with over 50 shades. It does not smear, does not rub off or kiss off, and can last anywhere from 4 to 18 hours, like I said before. And it says that LipSense is a non-wax liquid lip color that stays on the skin and provides a natural mechanical shield from the elements. Not tested on animals, which is a plus. This is formulated in compliance with the FDA regulations. So just in case, if you're curious where it's made from. And so as you see here, I've never ever opened this. This is like sealed, as you see. And the packaging though, I mean, it's pretty simple. I mean, it reminds me, gosh, I mean, nothing fancy, but it's very simple with your gold tones. It's not modern, you know, or anything. But what's important is if it does the job, you know. I'm going to go ahead and open this and let's see how this works. I mean, you're supposed to shake it first, mix the color really well. And the one thing I've noticed when I was trying to look for swatches, I don't see a lot of people zooming in up close of what the true color is. So I'm gonna zoom in as close as I can for you guys. Wait, zooming out. Oh, and today I'm not wearing like a liquid foundation or anything. I'm actually just wearing powder, so my makeup's a little bit more sheer, but okay. Oh yeah, I need a mirror too. Ugh. Okay. Here's the color. And then we're gonna, here we go. Pop the cherry, ooh. And let's swatch it on my wrist, see how it looks like. Now they say it's gonna look different on the wrist than your lips, because your lips absorb things differently, they say, but this is what it looks like. And it is gonna look sheer on the wrist, they say. Okay. Okay, so this product to me, I don't smell anything strong or any fragrance here. I mean, I don't like fragrances, which is great, but this, I don't know what to think. I mean, I'm fine with it. And let's go up close. And if I have hairs here, that means I have to wax, so don't mind here. So we're gonna do the first layer. See how this goes. I shaked it really good. They say to be careful. Okay, so that is one layer, and if you can compare and see. So they say you're supposed to put on 3 layers of this product. And I can tell you when I applied this on, it felt cold. And let's put on the second one. So now it's, they say you gotta make it dry. And I just wanna let you know, clarify with you, I mean, this is my first time, so if I'm doing something wrong or whatever, you know, you can correct me or whatever, but. Okay, so this is gonna be for the second coat, guys. Okay, that's the second coat, and I wanna do one more, okay? So you have to wait for a while for it to dry before you put on the gloss, so I'm just gonna let it dry. Okay, so next, oh, oops, I almost used the oops remover. So let's do the moisturizing gloss. Let's see. I don't smell anything, there's no scent to this. Oh, nice, and it did not transfer to this wand. Okay. Doesn't feel sticky. Dry, but let me get my daughter here. She's crying. Okay, well, after this, I'm going to go get ready for the friends. Look at that face. For the Friendsgiving event with the neighbors, and we're gonna have a bunch of food, and I'll let you guys know after the day how it goes. But it's pretty cool. Oh, it's a really nice finish. Okay, all right, packable. So anyways, I just got done eating. My husband and I, we went to our neighbors for a Friendsgiving with the family, and I've been wearing this from 4 p.m. and it's already 11. I've been wearing this for 7 hours, and this is a close-up what it looks like. It hasn't budged or come off or anything, and I mean, it's really staying power, okay? But I'm pretty amazed because usually when I wear my lipstick, it's already off, and I usually have like some lip stain around my lips because my bottom lip's bigger on, I mean, I'm down here. I'm pretty happy about the result. I don't taste anything with this product too, just to let you know, so there's no like weird, I do taste like something, like, but it's not disgusting or anything, but I don't have any discomfort with this product so far for wearing this for 7 hours. My lips didn't feel dry or weird or anything, because I have worn other brand name products that are supposed to be long wear, and they never stayed long like this. And let's see how well this removes, but let's first try makeup wipes to see how well this comes off first, to see if we can do that without the oops remover. So, all right, we'll be back. All right, so I got these makeup wipes, and here's a demonstration of how it comes off. Barely budge. This is all it did. Which is pretty amazing. I mean, I'm trying so hard to get this off, and it doesn't come off. Guys. And the direction says, gently rub onto lip color and wipe clean. So. Okay, so I guess maybe I'll like rub it for a minute or something, like wait for it all to dissolve or something, I'm guessing. This sounds pretty strong though, like it's not easy to take this off. I mean, which is a good thing for me, I mean. See what happens. Okay, well this does make it come off easier than just the wipe. So, oops, let's compare this without the oops and with the oops remover. So, obviously, we do need it. I was thinking about not buying it because I wanted to save some money. I was thinking maybe I could remove it with the makeup remover wipes, but I'm happy I actually did listen. Maybe if I put another layer of the oops remover, maybe it'll come off even more, you know? So, okay, I need to make sure I dry this. All right. And this feels like oily, like a lightweight oil base, and it smells good actually, like a nice soft candy scent to me, but it's not overwhelming. Okay, let's try this again. Okay. I seem to have it all gone, but just to let you know that after you remove it, it does leave a pretty stain, which I personally like. I mean, because like when I go to bed, I mean, I do like to feel pretty regardless of any time, and all I have to do is put on my lip gloss that I wear to, or lip balm that I wear to bed, and I'll have a cute, pretty little stain. But my lips don't feel irritated. It doesn't feel anything damaging. Um, I would say like this product is pretty amazing. I mean, I am a big fan of it, and I think I'm gonna buy some more of these because I am tired of retouching. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you like the videos as well, you go ahead and press the subscribe button for more uploads, and thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to wash this face off right now, and I hope you like my little headband. I use this to wash my face and do my makeup, and sometimes I actually wear it out because I'm trying to grow out my pixie cut, because my husband doesn't like my short hair, but thank you guys for watching, and until next time, bye-bye.